This course will reflect the knowledge that I've gained over the last 10 years, things that I would love to teach myself if I could, my younger self 10 years ago, that will help me progress through my career much faster. I've worked for companies like Verizon, Booz Allen Hamilton, Capital One, IronNet Cybersecurity, and I also serve as an advisor for a program within the Department of State teaching cybersecurity around the world. It's pretty well known that the cybersecurity profession as a whole is in very high demand. However, there isn't enough talent, enough cybersecurity professionals out there to actually meet the demand for the jobs. I built this course with ELVTR for both technical and non-technical people looking to gain foundational knowledge in cybersecurity, as well as those who want to start a career in cybersecurity. Within cybersecurity, there are actually quite a few jobs that are not related to software engineering or development, such as risk and compliance and security analyst roles. These roles are in high demand and they're very much needed within the cybersecurity field. However, you don't have to have any deep technical engineering software development background. For those folks who actually do have an engineering and software development background, the transition into cybersecurity is actually also in high demand, because now you can come into cybersecurity, you have development skills, and now you can develop tools and develop systems specifically for use in cybersecurity. I built this course specifically for people who are interested in cybersecurity, want to understand the ins and outs of the different cybersecurity domains, want to be able to transition into cybersecurity field, and also need these skills and need this understanding to protect their organizations and to actually build those cybersecurity programs to protect their data and their customers' data. If I could go back and talk to my younger self, one tip I would definitely give myself would be to understand all the aspects of cybersecurity and try to get exposure to the entire cybersecurity landscape. That would allow me to understand how everything is tied together and then progress faster through my career. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in class.